Hello everybody, Kathy again, Faces by Catherine. Welcome back to my channel. We have been discussing the different skincare lines that Mary Kay has. So tonight we're going to go through part 3 of our skincare lines. This is the TimeWise Repair is what it's called. This is the set that goes with our 50s and 60-year-olds, okay? Or those that want advanced restoration of their skin. You know, sometimes as we go through perimenopause and menopause, our skin starts doing other things. It gets dry. Life is kind of like, you know, I went through it, so I understand it. We're going to restore what was lost and lift away the years. We're going to reduce the look of deep lines and wrinkles with this set. Restores and have a lifted appearance. Recaptures the look of youthful volume. And our cleanser that's in this set revitalizes and renews, maintains moisture balance. And then we have a day cream with the sunscreen in it with SPF. I'm going to go through each one again. I'm just giving you an overview. So it helps to restore the skin's youthful cushion and is formulated to help maintain skin reaction to external irritants. And then we have a night treatment, which has encapsulated retinol to help with the signs of aging. Also to help reveal radiant looking skin and skin tones become more even. And then there's the lifting serum that's in this set. It tightens the appearance of sagging skin and gives facial contours a firmer look. And then there's the eye renewal cream, targets the lines, sagging skin, under eye puffiness, and dark circles. And I know a lot of you asked me about, you know, the dark circles and whatnot. So, first of all, in this set, like I said, I call it the Cadillac set. Our Master Blaster set, if you will. I'm going to put my glasses on here because I'm going to continue to read. So this is the cleanser, and it is a creamy cleanser. The tube lasts, oh gosh, way past a good 4 months. You don't need a whole lot of it. So what it does, it revitalizes, it renews, goes beyond cleansing. It's creamy, kind of creamy-like, okay? It has a moisture-rich foam, which renews the skin's radiance, provides luxurious daily skin care experience. Skin feels nourished, baby soft, and ready for the next step in your skincare regimen. Maintains moisture balance. As you know, we lose a lot of moisture when we're going through things like menopause and whatnot. Leaves pores looking less noticeable. Promotes a feeling of suppleness. Okay, so it has plant stem cells and 2 different peptides that are in this cleanser here. Okay, so this is not drying. You don't need but a little bit of it. Okay, and like I said, this really helps for your moisture. Next coming up is the day cream. This is the day cream here. Comes in a nice little jar. And has a pump. It's basically a pump. See the little hole here. Because you can see that. You put your fingers here. I'm not going to do it, but you put your fingers, yeah, here. And then it pumps just enough for you, okay? It's that pump technology that they have. So it restores the look of skin's natural cushion, helps calm the skin. The skin tone appears more even, helps protect against skin aging with UVA, UVB damage, increases skin moisture for 12 hours, contains the benefit of Volu-Firm Complex. And, you know, when I started using the Mary Kay, I noticed when I was going through, my skin was dull, looking to me blotchy, gray looking. And this really, really did help me with that situation. So if you're one that needs some more moisture, or your skin is dry or drying, this is the best solution. All of these products are suitable for sensitive skin, oil-free, fragrance-free, doesn't clog your pores. And of course, it's been tested by our dermatologists. Everything has been through science with our Mary Kay company. Okay, and this also lasts about 4 months too. Okay, so again, it has SPF 30 in it. We all need our sunscreen. Let's see, I know there's some more. Oh, this is the, okay, so this is the day cream. So now we're going to go to our night. This is the night. As encapsulated retinol, same technology, the pump. Okay, you pump out just enough. You don't need but one good pump. And then that's enough. Okay. And so what does this do? Well, it's advanced science, targets advanced science of aging, extensive research and innovative ingredients, comprehensive testing, and helps lift away the years. Skin remains firm, regains firmness, and skin's even tone is restored. This complex, Volu-Firm Complex contains plant stem cells as well, and specialized peptides that help provide catalysts for skin renewal. Noticeable smoothness, rough of the neck area, so we're going to also put this on our neck. Helps accelerate cell turnover. Okay, immediately triple skin hydration. Here we go with the hydration, and increases skin moisture for 12 hours as well. Okay, and so it's a lot of documentation on here. On here, hyaluronic acid. Now that helps with our water retention for our skin. Plant stem cells also help protect the integrity of the skin matrix. Okay, it helps with the firmness. All right. I want to make sure I give you enough of the information here. All right. So this what this does, and it has encapsulated retinol, which means that the retinol just gradually helps the skin. It's not like the full-on retinol. Okay, so it's encapsulated, slow release. Okay, the next thing we have, and I don't know why people like to skip eye cream, and then later they want to, let me get this out of here. Sorry. Okay. They eye cream. Then people want to come back and say, oh, I need something for eye cream. I like this one because of the ball. It's not quite of a ball, but it's the tip. And the tip is cooling. And of course, right here is where the cream would come out. Okay. But it's cooling, and you would rub it here underneath your eyes. Okay. It's like, you know, when the fighters, you see the fighters and they have that little cooling thing. That's what this simulates. So let's talk about this right here. It firms and tones the saggy skin around the eyes. Okay. And it also contains plant cells and specialized peptides that help provide the catalyst for skin renewal. Restores a youthful lift, minimizes appearance of deep wrinkles. And it helps with the doubles the skin hydration and also moisture for 12 hours. And of course, I just told you the tip, the applicator is designed to help stimulate microcirculation and help reduce puffiness. Okay, so this is a great way to help you with sagging skin around your eyes and tone up around your eyes. Also has hyaluronic acid boosters to help with the volume and lift. And again, like I said, plant cells for the skin matrix, for skin firmness. All right. So it helps fight our under eye bags, puffiness, and dark circles. All right, crepiness and dry skin. So this would be for you if you like that, have that type of thing going on. The last thing that's in the set, and I really, really like this. This is the firming serum. Okay, it's the firming serum, and you would put it here, you know, around it, here on your neck area, you know, down in here. To everybody does the face, and then they forget to do the neck and this part here of the neckline. So it is clinically shown to visibly lift skin and reduce the look of deep lines and wrinkles, improve skin elasticity and firmness, tightens the appearance of sagging skin, and gives facial contours a firmer look. And you actually do feel, you feel something going on, right, when you put this on. Tightens the appearance sagging skin and gives facial contours a firming look. I think I said that already, right? Helps cheeks, jawline, and neck appear firmer and more lifted. And it also has collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic, sorry about that, also in this to help with the firmness, okay? So, you know, as we age, we start losing the collagen and whatnot in our skin. They actually said we start losing at age 20. Okay, it starts decreasing. So these are the products that you would want if you're in your 50s, even 40s is okay, to use this complete set. Okay, 50s is never too late. Comes with a booklet to tell you about it and how to use it. Okay. And then, of course, you get me, so I can tell you how to use it as well. And so I hope that this is also in Spanish. Okay. So I hope that this was part 3. So the next one will probably, I'll tell you a little about the Clear Proof, which is for acne. Probably the men's set we still need to go through. And then the last one I really want to do is about our clinical solutions, which has the hyaluronic, the C plus resveratrol, the PHAs and AHAs, and ferulic acid, and retinol. Okay, so those are some different serums to add into if you need extra help. All right. So again, this is Kathy, Faces by Catherine. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have questions, post them down in the comments, okay? And I will also give you a link to the actual product. We do have it in I call it a trial size, but it's a travel size that you could get if you just want to try it out before getting the big set, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.